Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to integrate your Typeform CRM with Facebook Pixel. So what is Typeform CRM? Basically it is a tool, online tool through which we can create a form, online form, and use that particular form as a targeted landing page in our Facebook advertisement campaigns. So for tracking the conversion, we need to implement the pixel on that particular CRM, and the name is Typeform. So in today's video, I will let you know how to implement the pixel in the Typeform CRM backend, and then what kind of event they will automatically create in our event manager section of the FB ads account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
As you know, today our topic is how to integrate your Facebook Events Manager section with the Typeform. So let's start with Typeform. What is basically a Typeform? Typeform basically is a website, you can say it as a tool as well, in which you can create simply forms, and then you can choose the form with different categories, and then you can create a separate landing page for that, so that once visitor will click on your ad or something like that, they will redirect to that particular landing page. As I have already created a Typeform page, like basically a Typeform, where I am redirecting the visitors, redirecting the client, because I have some cautions once the if the client is interested in our services. So I have some questions for them, and I have created the form accordingly. So our video is not about how to create forms. Basically, I just want to give you an overview of this tool. So our video is about how we can integrate the same with Facebook, because currently there is no you can say pixel implemented on the same, and we need to implement the pixel so that we can track how much people have landed on this particular Typeform or landing page and fill the form here. So for doing that, first of all, we need to log in the backend of Typeform. So as you can see, I have the login ID and password on LastPass, so I will log in the campaign through that, and now it's login automatically. It will take some time to redirect us to that particular dashboard, and here you can see, here is our form. So I have this form which I want to track in our FB ads account, because I'm running a conversion campaign in the FB ads account, and once the people see our ad, and if they are interested, they are landed on this particular landing page, and I want, if they are filling that, things will be recorded in our FB ads manager section, and that will be done through events. So I will basically Typeform give us an option to integrate the Facebook event pixel with the Typeform backend, so that they will create some events in the event manager section of FB ads manager. So let me first tell you how to add that pixel code in the Typeform, so that event will be created in the event manager section. So first of all, you just need to have checked that there is an option of integration in the sidebar, and once you click on that, they will provide you different options like Google Drive, Slack, Airtable, Calavio, Microsoft Team, Google Sheet. So if you want to connect the same for these particular drives as well, you can use that as well. But my main concern right now is to implement the pixel on that particular landing page. So what I'll do is, I will use the Facebook pixel option, which is given us in the app and integration section of the Typeform. So what I will do is, I will click on that, and once I click on that, it will ask me to add. I will click on the add button then, and once I click on the add button, it will ask us on which form you want to connect that particular pixel. And once, as my form name is my new form 1, so I will click on that, and then I will click on the connect button. And once I click on the connect button, it will redirect me to where I need to put the pixel. So I have already implement the pixel, so I don't need to write it here, but you need to write the pixel ID here, and then you just need to click on the save button. And once you click on the save button, it will showcase that you have already connected. And you can see the same in the workspace section in the Typeform, where you can see we have an, you can say, Facebook pixel logo here, so that it means our Facebook pixel is connected with this particular form. And after that, the events will be automatically created in the event manager section. Let me show you that how. So now we need to check whether our pixel is implemented correctly or not. So for doing that, firstly we will go to the dashboard, Facebook dashboard, and then we need to go to the event manager section. And in the event manager section, we will double check whether we have implemented the same pixel or not. As you can see, this is the pixel ID which we have implemented in our Typeform CRM. And now we need to go to the event manager section where our events are created to check whether the event are created or not. So it's take time, like it's loading now. Yeah, now you can see we have already created the Typeform first interaction and Typeform submit event, which is automatically created by Typeform CRM. So now in this way, we can easily track our events through the CRM of Typeform, and then we can use the same in our Facebook ads campaign and track the results coming from that Typeform CRM. So thank you so much for watching my video.